Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nina, and in today's video we are going to actually be doing an unboxing. So we are unboxing a pair of Adidas, but not just any Adidas, okay? We are going to be unboxing, these are the cloud white / like the shock pink Forum mid shoes. I wanted to make sure I got the whole description of the thing right. I haven't seen these on YouTube, so hopefully we are the first. It's me trying to open the box. The box is hard to open. I know y'all can't see it, but I'm telling y'all, there's a box on this table. A big box. So I opened up the box. This is what the shoes came in, and here is the actual box that these come in. Make it really easy for y'all. And of course, this is Adidas. We love Adidas here. I don't even know why I said it like that, Adidas. Okay. So I got these shoes in an 8.5. I am typically a 9 in women's, but I got it in an 8.5 in women's because I heard that it did run big. So go like half a size down, which is what I did. Hopefully it fits just the way it's supposed to fit, okay? Like I said, these are the Forum mids. Opening up the box. This is what we're doing so far. Whoa. These feel like when you get in a new pair of Air Forces. Whoa. That crisp white be hitting. Do y'all see that? My camera's trying to keep up. Yes. These are a super crisp white. Like I said, these are mids. I'm about to show y'all the shoe. First, let us start here. I will be giving you guys a close-up of the shoe, so don't even worry. The close-up is coming of the shoe. Y'all see this? Whoa. So it has a strap. And there's Adidas right here in the middle of the strap. The tips of the laces are the pink, and it's a very, very hot pink. Like, very, very hot pink. And then the Adidas logo over here to this side is also in hot pink, which I love, also in hot pink. There is an Adidas logo right here at the bottom. All the Adidas logos appear to be like on this side and on the strap, because on the other side, the inner side of the shoe, there's no logo, just blank, nothing but white. Crisp at the back. The detailing on this shoe is literally A1. And then of course you have the Adidas logo right here. Harder to see, but like I said, I will be giving y'all a close-up. When you undo the strap, loosen things up a little bit, you bring this out. See that logo right there. On the inside, it has a, with the streets, the 3-stripe brand. This is also in pink, this lettering and detail on the inside. The Adidas logo that's inside of the shoe is actually pink as well. Like I said, we got this because, one, I thought this was so cute. For me, this is definitely one of those throwback type of styles. It is very, very versatile because it's white. My favorite color is pink. I feel like that's a pretty popular favorite color. My favorite color is pink. So I love that this came with just different hints of pink in the design. I love the way the shoe is structured. The bottoms also have like Adidas. Look at this, like the bottoms are crazy. I just love the way the shoe looks. Like, this is very, very nice. Like I said, I usually wear a size 9, but I went 8.5 because I did hear this runs big. But I wanted to show you guys, it has little holes right here. You guys want to get a closer look, but this is so beautiful. I could already see so many different fits with these. I'm really excited. These are typically $100 on the Adidas site, which is pretty affordable for nice sneakers. So this is definitely so lit. And it's gonna be in my summer/spring sneaker haul. I'm showing you guys my must-haves, and this is one of them because look at this. This is gonna go with everything. Like, what can't you wear this with? This is leggings, this is jeans. There's certain dresses that you can wear with this. Like, this is a versatile pair of kicks, and I wanted y'all to see firsthand. So this is what we got.